Hello, Chinese learners. As a full-time online Chinese teacher with over 10 years of teaching experience, I just simply can't wait to tell you this amazing website, especially if you are learning Chinese by yourself. What's more, you don't need an account, and most of the important functions on this website are free. So now I'm going to show you how does it works. Let's go. So now we are on the main page of this website, and this website to be called Purple Culture. I also put the link in the description of this video for you to copy and paste. Once you comes to the main page, it more or less looks like a bookstore, and they do have some books quite cheap, but those are not important. The important thing is all under here, the Chinese tools. And by clicking the Chinese tools, you will find all the amazing features of this website. The very first tool I'm going to introduce is Chinese to Pinyin Converter. And sometimes in your life, you may get tired of the Chinese textbooks and you want to start reading some authentic, real text from China. For example, if you are reading some Chinese text, and there are many characters you don't know, just copy the text and then paste them here. One good thing about this tool is that they will automatically correct the sound of bu and yi. As you know, these two characters, they're always changing tones based on the following pinyin. And this is the only website I see they can correct the tone for bu and yi. And also, when you put pinyin, you have many options. You can choose to have the whole pinyin on top of the character, or you can choose tone mark only. I know many of you already know many characters and you want to improve your pronunciation, then you just choose tone mark only, and by clicking convert, you will see all the characters with the tone mark on top of it. But if you not knowing many characters and you would like to see the whole pinyin, then you just change back to pinyin with tone mark, and then you will see all the pinyin on top of the characters. Another amazing feature is that if you click view here, you will find out that which word in this text are from which level. For example, if I'm preparing HSK 3 and 4, then I just keep 3 and 4, two options on, and those characters that with pinyin on top of them, I know that, okay, those are the words from HSK level 3 and 4. So after class, you can feel free to come and play around with this function. In addition, you can also click the translation here to get the English text, or you can click the audio to listen to the audio of this text. If you are a beginner or you are only learning pinyin, then I suggest you to try the Pinyin Chart here. And then you can see all the initials are on top and all the finals are on the left. In the middle, you will see all the pinyin combinations. By choosing the one that you want to practice, you will see the audio of each tone. However, this chart is only good for learning the individual pinyin and the four tones. If you want to learn the pronunciation rules for phrases and sentences, please check my video here. Alright, the next tool I would like to introduce is the Chinese-English dictionary. If you are looking for the meaning of a certain word, for example, let's check what's the meaning of 无论如何. By clicking the search, I will see the English translation of this word. I can also see the HSK level of this word. And also they have many example sentences on the bottom. I know many of you already have the dictionary app Pleco on your cell phone. However, by comparing the example sentences here and on Pleco, personally, I feel the examples here are more spoken Chinese. And if you feel that 5 sentences is not enough, feel free to click more sentences here. You will find a huge list of example sentences waiting for you. Also, by clicking Animate under the word, you will be able to see the stroke order of how to write this word. And this is also perfect for you to practice Chinese writing. Alright, the next one will be the Pinyin Tone 2. Sometimes after an online class with your Chinese teacher, you may get a Word document like this. Pay attention to this class note. The pinyin has no tone marks. Instead, the teacher will put 1, 2, 3, 4 after each pinyin to show you the tone mark. This could be a little bit mess to read. Therefore, again, just copy the class note and then you just paste the class note here, and don't forget to press the Enter key of your keyboard. Look, now all the numbers just automatically becomes to the tone mark on top of the pinyin. Well, the next two will be the Chinese flashcards. If you have a vocabulary list in Chinese characters, make sure you copy and paste them here, and make sure one line just have one word. And then you can choose on the front side of the flashcard, you can put the Chinese characters, simplified or traditional character or together. On the back side, you can choose the pinyin and the English definition. And once you are ready, just click Generate. Then you will have your flashcard here. On one side, you can see the characters, the simplified way and the traditional way. By clicking the flashcard, you will see the other side with pinyin and the English translation. Great. The next tool will be the vocabulary list generator. For example, today you are learning a text. You just paste the text here, and you want to pick out the key vocabularies in this text. Then you just click here, generate list. And this list will automatically eliminate the duplicate words. And also, this AI is very smart to know that some words are formed by 2 characters, 3 characters, or 4 characters. For example, 老板 together means boss. It won't give you 老 and 板. Instead, they put them together as a word. And then you can try to pick the words that you want to review and you feel you want to practice more. Some of you may using Anki to make flashcards. So the good thing about this website, after you choose all your keywords, you just export them to the file you prefer and then upload to Anki, and then you can start reviewing and playing with the flashcards of those vocabularies on Anki. So this is also a perfect feature. There are also some practical tools for you to play around. For example, the simplified traditional Chinese converter. If I paste some simplified characters here, I just click convert to traditional Chinese. Then you have all the traditional Chinese characters here. And then by click convert to simplified Chinese, it will go back. Last but not least, for those who like to write Chinese characters, here, try this function called the practice sheet generator. For example, if I want to practice how to write 无论如何, and I just click here, generate a worksheet, it will automatically download on my computer. By clicking this file, you will see the chart for you to practice writing the characters. Well, on this page, you can see there are so many other useful Chinese learning tools, and I don't have time to introduce each one of them. But everything were mentioned in this video were the ones I think which are the most important ones, and also they are all free. And please feel free to make a comment under this video and tell me which tool in this website is the most useful one for you. And thank you very much for watching till the end today. If you are looking for some other free contents like this one in the future, please subscribe my YouTube channel and I will see you every week. 谢谢大家，再见。